Some little fish right here. No way. We're gonna go downstream. Oh, that felt like a bite, kind of. There's a decent fish. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's a smallie. It's kind of pinned. He's in the current. Ooh. Good first fish of the day. And the 2-inch. Decent smallie. I think that's a fall fish. It is a fall fish. Not a bad fall fish though for in here. Another fall fish. Or no, it's a baby smallie. Oh, that's a nicer one. Woo! He's sporty. As soon as that hit the water, I saw him come grab it. To see what it was all about. These little spots in the shade, you just gotta cast into all of them. You never know which one's holding a fish. It's a good sized smallmouth for this creek. Some shallow water over here. Oh, that's a trout. That was that bite I felt. That's why it wasn't hitting right away, too. There's a trout sitting there. I think I spooked it. That's a nice smallie. Whoa. I had my eyes on that trout. This guy came out as soon as it hit the water. What a fighter. Bro, what is this fish doing? Oh my goodness. This guy is a fighter. Might be bigger than he looks underwater. That is a hefty fish right there. Man, I would have expected him to hit that the first time. That is a huge fish. Oh my God, he is heavy. He's heavy, man. Bro, that's a big smallmouth. We're gonna take him over here, check him out. I can go underwater, I don't even care. Look at this smallie. This thing is a unit. Super fat, thick smallie. Look at that thing, dude. He's like probably only like a 15 or 16 incher, but super heavy. And you saw how much drag he was feeling. That was just a fat round smallie. What a fighter. We spooked that trout, and then this spot looked like there should be a decent sized smallmouth in there. I think that trout bit at this. I think that was that hard bite I felt when I first walked in here. Might have to give this spot a break and hit it on the way back up. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's just a fall fish. I really thought it was a trout. And he's so golden. Super gold guy. Goldberg. Slimebird. What the hell? That immediately got hit. It's a baby smallie, but it's not the babiest smallie. Not the biggest baby. Damn, you tried to go through the camera. That's a trout. Damn, he's fighting like a smallie. Nice little rainbow trout. We'll keep this guy too long. Okay. He's flopping all around. He was a standard size rainbow trout. That's just another small one. Medium-sized one, I should say. I'm gonna fish this Rapala F3. That's the Fish USA exclusive. that got smoked. There was something sitting back there. It was just a little fish though. Oh my god, there's like 8 little smallies coming out after it. There's some action. He saw it twitching on the surface and came and smoked it. Oh man, this is another feisty one. Look at that. Oh my god, I cannot get this hook out. Holy crap. He hit it so crazy that it had both of the bottom of his like gill plates stuck together. That's a nice crazy smallie. Wanted to hit the Rapala 3 fishy descent. Oh my god, I actually just casted that in a tree where I might not be able to get it. It like did a full loop. You know I had to get it back. Literally bombed it right into a tree that I couldn't reach. It was in this branch right here. I had to go up there and shake. I had to break it off, go up there and shake the branch to get it to fall back down. He came off. That is a problem with these smaller baits, smaller hooks. Damn, I don't even know where this fish came from. I was just swimming the jerk bait through the water. Or jerking the bait. Ooh, he's barely hooked. That's a nice fish. Let's bring him over right here. That's a nice little smallie. Exclusive. That's a rainbow trout. that's a nice rainbow trout. Oh! Okay. He came off. You could see him enough. I wasn't going to keep him anyway. No way. There's a little smallie. Whoa. Sitting right up here in the fast current. Another smallie on the Rapala F3. There was a smallie sitting up there. Ooh, it's a nice one too. That's a really nice fish. Oh, dude. That's a nice smallie. Session on the way back down. The tried and true. Oh, it's a trout. I did see a trout in here earlier. It's a nice rainbow. Oh my goodness, trout. Calm down. That's a really pretty rainbow trout. Really pretty. That's one of the prettiest rainbow trout I've ever caught. It wasn't beat up at all, it had a lot of color. I think that's another trout. Oh, it's a fall fish. I'm trying to unhook you, Bubba. Little slime. It's another smallie. another decent one. That's a really pretty smallie. These are the fish I didn't catch on the way up. I need to bring it past a couple past this log. Get them up over that log. This might be a little nicer fish. Oh yeah. What the heck? He's so tiny. This is the hardest fighting, smallest fish of the day. Man, he was peel and drag. It's just a little guy. I think it's another smallie. Whoa. He's got a follower too. Another decent smallie. Crushed it. Look at the colors. Nice patterns. That's a nice smallie. And I used to catch them in this spot all the time last year, but I haven't been able to this year until today. It's taking me for a ride. Fat smallie. Nice fatty. That's another smallie. Fish are biting today, that's for sure.